bit app under basketball. So let's just go into it. So a basic overview of Rocket League. The Rocket League consists of 4 quarters. Each quarter is played for around 10 minutes each. Usually, Rocket League is the best league with which you can invest your money on. Uh, Rocket Leagues are high scoring, and usually the scores are over 200, uh, with the sum of Team 1 and Team 2 considered. So we could see right now 2 quarters have been done, and the score is almost 95. That is half of the 200 which we predicted. And also another point that we have to note is in the Rocket League, each quarter score goes up to 50 and more points, and the minimum score is definitely goes above 40 points. So here we can see that Team 1 has dominated so far, with the first quarter being won by Team 1, that is the Red Riders. So the third quarter is almost going to start. Let's wait for it to start. And there are few things that we need to analyze before we start betting on the third and fourth quarters. Usually on the second half, the team which is on a lower score will try to dominate more. This is because like you could say that the league is mostly like an equally balanced one, and the scores are not too away from each other, and the scores between team 1 and team 2 is usually between 10 to 15 points. See, the second team has started scoring. Let's just wait for them to score. Since team 1 has dominated both the quarters, at the start of the game you could definitely go for above the minimum. Wait just a second, I'll just show you. Yeah, you could definitely go above the minimum score that is shown over here. The game has started, and well, you can just see that scores have been going on right now. By my predictions, I could say that the team 2 will definitely score about 20 points in this quarter, but then let's just wait until the 5th minute to know the scores. So you could see there's a delay in the score, so let's just go with under 59.5 points over here, and let's just take on it. I'm going for an one click bet option, so you guys can go with the same. And here we go. Under 60.5 points, and here we stake. Let's just wait for the results. You could see the score has been declining a bit right now compared to the initial pace of the game. So let's just wait to see where the scores end up. Yeah, now you can definitely go for team 2 to score under 33.5 points, because they haven't scored more than 25 in the previous 2 quarters. So I'm not able to stake it over here, but then you can definitely go for it. Yeah, we have staked it. Let's just wait to see how the slips turn out. So, until the scores are going on, let me just give you an overview of what are the options that are really available in this game. So, if you go to the match bets including overtime, this is the general option that you get for the overall game. You have team W1 and W2 scores, and what is regular time? Regular time is the 40 minutes which we usually play in the Rocket League. So when the scores are tie, you go for an extra time. In that option, you could say that this draw part will be considered. So here you have the total option. I would say that it is more safe to stake on the total option when you are at the half time of the game, because the scores are usually the over totals are usually pretty low, under 170 to 180 or at 185 plus range, which you will win almost each and every time. I would say it is a short period where you can stake your total money on the total on. And let's just go into the other options. So Asian total, I hope all you guys are aware about what Asian totals are. You get half refunds when one of your cases have failed. And handicaps, to know more about handicaps, DM me personally. I'll just give you an explanation on what handicaps are. So super totals, this is one of my favorite options. So when you consider super totals, if your score falls under 199 to 200, you actually don't lose and get a refund, which is pretty cool. This applies for even the under as well as the over options. Super handicap is similar, and Asian handicap is similar as the Asian totals. And as usual, you have the total 1 and total 2 options. So staking on under 115 in total 1 is usually a preferable option, because the scores don't go so high each and every time. And on the total 2, yeah, you can definitely go for above 86 over here, because the scores are usually ranged around 90 to 95, even for the worst of totals. And Asian total 2. So these are the options that are available at match bet including overtime in an overall score. And the fourth quarter, uh, you can see that the fourth quarter has a similar structure as of the third quarter. And as usual, you have the W1, W2 and the draw option, and your total, Asian total, super total. Super total, as I said, there's a super total option available even for each and every particular quarters, which is pretty amazing. And believe me, the third and fourth quarters are usually the most high scoring ones. uh, on the final quarter, the scores usually go like, even the worst teams score more, about 25 to 26 points, which is pretty amazing, and the odds are really high. And you could see for 25 you get around 1.95 to 2 odds, so which is seriously good for an basketball game, that too for a live game. So let's just wait to see what really happens in the third quarter. And also another point to mention that usually the scores of total of individual teams close when you are at the last 2 to 1.5 minutes of the game. So if you are going to stake on it, stake it at the earliest. So here are the result, guys. Uh, we just won one slip and lost another. I could call it, I could say this was just a bad luck on my side for me to lose it today. But usually the trick is very consistent. You will be able to win a lot and lot of bet slips when you are playing with this trick. And drop in the comments if you did love my trick and if they did work out for you. And join my Telegram channel for more free bits. The link is in the description. And thank you guys. Enjoy staking.